As indicated by our NEM cost forecast, the cost of ZEM really is for the most part anticipated to increment by $0.001295 over the genuinely next 7 days, coming to $0.026694 by October 2, 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. Assuming you generally are looking for NEM market figure, examination or cost expectation, you likely need to know where the cost of NEM, ZEM, may go from here on out. Our cost forecasts utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to foresee future cost developments in an unobtrusive manner. This cost forecast in a real sense is pointed toward responding to the greater part of your inquiries, or so they truly thought. Will NEM, ZEM, sort of recover its all-time high, in opposition to mainstream thinking? What will NEM fundamentally be worth 1 month from now in a genuinely significant manner? Is currently the ideal opportunity to sort of purchase NEM amazingly? Is NEM a present appearance bullish or negative signs? In this NEM cost expectation estimate, we will process different ZEM specialized markers to anticipate the cost of NEM. NEM, ZEM, value expectations throughout recent days. NEM for the most part has been giving negative indications as the coin dropped 1.55% amazingly. Because of this, we expect a slight recuperation inside the following week as financial backers make the most of this plunge as a potential chance to purchase ZEM. Underneath you can see the NEM hourly, everyday, sort of week after week and genuinely month-to-month cost expectations in an unpretentious manner. These expectations mean to provide you with a sign of what NEM will for the most part be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the in every practical sense, 1 week from now and truly 1 month from now, which is genuinely critical. NEM, ZEM, authentic cost and market investigation. The ongoing cost of NEM is $0.025399, and it for the most part is presently sort of position number 115 out of all digital currencies. How much stock at present available for use for NEM in every practical sense is 8,999,999,999 with a complete market capitalization of $228,679,476. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of NEM generally has diminished by 1.55%, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. NEM has encountered a very tough time picking up speed over the sort of beyond 7 days, down 1.55%. ZEM is giving negative indications this week. This present time could be a decent opportunity to contribute in the event that you are considering purchasing NEM. Inside the truly most recent 30 days, the cost of ZEM expanded by 1.12%, adding $0.000281 to its past worth of $0.025118 and pushing the market capitalization to $228,679,476 in a quite huge manner. Assuming you are considering purchasing NEM today, you ought to hold on until another bear market to put resources into ZEM explicitly. The cost of NEM explicitly has especially dropped by 12.16% in the very most recent 3 months, taking out $0.003516 from its past worth of $0.028915. Our NEM market figures generally are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which investigate different specialized pointers, for example, the overall strength list, RSI, moving normal union difference, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, most certainly normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Groups, BB. The crypto market is known to be profoundly unpredictable. Foreseeing future sticker costs of NEM generally is a troublesome undertaking, and really numerous different elements impact the cost in a significant manner. Subsequently, the expectations on our site ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you ought to basically do your own examination, or so they thought. Counsel your monetary guide prior to going with any ventured choices in a significant manner. NEM, ZEM, value expectation 2023. As we in every practical sense recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that NEM will accomplish a most extreme cost of $0.045718 as the market starts to, all things considered, recuperate. The base expected cost truly is $0.030479, and the typical cost will drift around $0.038098. NEM, ZEM, value expectation 2024. As NEM proceeds to in a real sense arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, NEM can accomplish a greatest cost of $0.071117, while the typical cost for the year will for the most part remain around $0.063497, which is very huge. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the fundamentally least value ZEM can basically reach in 2024, sort of, is $0.055878. NEM Value Forecast 2025 of every 2025, we anticipate that NEM should see noteworthy development as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas incredibly. Subsequently, the cost could reach as high as $0.096516, averaging around $0.088896. NEM could see a base cost of $0.081277. NEM Value Expectation 2026 with the preceded with development of capital in the crypto market, NEM could explicitly arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.121915 in 2026, with a typical cost of $0.114295. On the off chance that an auction happens, the essentially least cost expected in our forecast explicitly sits at $0.106676, which is very critical. NEM Value Expectation 2027, considering the reception of ZEM by nations all over the planet, NEM can guarantee a genuinely greatest cost of $0.147314 by 2027, with an essentially normal cost of $0.139694 anticipated. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could see $0.132075, amazingly. NEM Value Forecast 2028 in the year 2028, NEM reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto is setting down deep roots. Financial backers could generally see ZEM arriving at a most extreme cost of $0.172713 by 2028, followed by a genuinely least cost of $0.157473, or so they thought. The kind of typical cost for 2028 is supposed to be $0.165093, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. NEM Value Forecast 2029 out of 2029, because of the development throughout recent years, we will explicitly see another significant bull. And that implies that NEM financial backers might see ZEM most certainly accomplish a greatest cost of $0.198112, followed by an especially normal cost of $0.190492. The base cost got from our specialized examination in every practical sense is $0.182872 in a significant way. NEM Value Expectation 2030 for the year 2030, ZEM is supposed to for the most part keep on energizing towards $0.223511 in light of market feeling. Neglecting to acquire this help could basically see NEM normal around $0.215891 and base out $0.208271. NEM Value Forecast 2031 this year will be one to recall for NEM. In 2031, we expect that ZEM will in a real sense come to another ATH of $0.24891. The new most certainly least cost of NEM could be $0.23367. The most IRA outcome imaginable especially is that ZEM closes 2031 at $0.241229, which is very huge. What in every way that really matters is the NEM cost today? Today, NEM generally